Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Suchandra De and today we are going to explore a beautiful and emotional poem, a photograph by Shirley Tolson. Before we begin, I want to ask you something. Have you ever looked at an old photograph and suddenly felt emotional? That's exactly what this poem is about. Memories, time and loss. Let's dive in. Let's first know about the poet. Shirley Tolson was an English poet who wrote deeply about memories, relationships and the passage of time. A quick question for you. Why do you think poets often write about memories? Yes, because memories connect us to our past and emotions. Tolson's writing is simple, but it touches the heart deeply. Now, what is this poem about? The poem, a photograph, is about a picture from the poet's mother's childhood. Imagine this, a simple photograph, but it holds a whole story. The poet looks at it and remembers her mother, who is no longer alive. So this poem is not just about a picture, it's about love, loss and time. Let's understand the story of the poem. The poet sees a photograph where her mother is standing on a beach with her cousins. Think about it. At that moment, they were just happy children, unaware of the future. Years later, the mother grows up, the cousins change, and eventually the mother passes away. But guess what remains the same? The sea. This shows a powerful contrast. Nature stays the same, but human life changes. This slide focuses on the central ideas of the poem and what the poet wants us to understand. Power of memory. The poem shows how photographs preserve special memories. Even though time passes, a photograph can bring back emotions, relationships and memories instantly. It acts like a bridge between the past and the present. Passage of time. One of the most important themes is how time keeps moving forward. People grow older, relationships change, and life never stays the same. The poem reminds us that nothing in human life is permanent. Loss and nostalgia. There is a deep feeling of loss in the poem. The poet remembers her mother with love and longing. This creates a sense of nostalgia, a bittersweet feeling where happy memories are mixed with sadness because those moments are gone forever. Human life versus nature. The poem draws a contrast between human life and nature. Human life is short and temporary, but nature, like the sea, continues endlessly. This highlights how small and fragile human existence is compared to the vast, unchanging natural world. Let me ask you, which of these themes do you connect the most? This part of the poem teaches us some very important life lessons, simple yet deeply meaningful. Always cherish your loved ones. The poem reminds us that the people we love are the most valuable part of our lives. We often take them for granted, thinking They will always be there, but that's not always true. Life is short. Human life is temporary and unpredictable. Time passes quickly, and before we realize it, moments turn into memories. This makes it important to live meaningfully and lovingly. Memories are precious. Even after people are gone, memories remain with us. These memories become a source of comfort but also remind us of what we have lost. That's why every moment we create today matters. Value relationships while people are still with you. The poem gives a gentle warning. Don't delay expressing your love, care, and gratitude. Relationships should be nurtured in the present, not remembered with regret. Which of these themes do you connect with the most? Write in the comment box below. In this part, we go beyond the surface and understand the deeper meaning of the poem. Photograph as a symbol of frozen time. The photograph represents a moment that has been captured forever. While real life keeps moving, the image remains unchanged, preserving a piece of the past. Sea as a symbol of permanence. The sea in the poem stands for something eternal and unchanging. Unlike human life, it continues endlessly, showing the contrast between nature and human existence. Human life, which is temporary. Human life is short and constantly changing. People grow, age, and eventually pass away, making life fragile and fleeting. Tone of silent grief. The poet does not express sorrow in a loud or dramatic way. Instead, the grief is calm, quiet, and controlled. This subtle expression makes the emotions feel more real and deeply touching. The poem becomes powerful because it expresses deep emotions in a simple, silent manner, making readers feel rather than just understand. This slide explains why the poem is meaningful and widely appreciated. Simple language. The poet uses easy and clear words, making the poem accessible to all readers. Despite its simplicity, the poem deals with complex ideas like time, loss, memory, and human existence. Almost everyone has experienced memories connected to photographs or loved ones. This makes the poem feel personal and emotionally relatable. When readers read about their own photographs and memories, they connect deeply with the poem's message. The poem's strength lies in its simplicity and emotional universality. It speaks to everyone. So, what does the poem teach us? People may leave, but memories never do. Life is temporary, and people may not always be with us, but memories remain in our hearts forever. Photographs capture moments, but memories keep them alive. Before I end, take a moment today. Look at an old photograph and appreciate the memories it holds. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments Which line or idea from the poem touched you the most? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.